the real advantage in trading and why most bots simply don't have it. All right, guys, listen up. If you want to actually make money in trading, and I'm talking long term, you need a real advantage. And there are really only two ways to get one. Either you understand the markets, like really understand the markets, or on the other hand, you use a system that was built by people who really do. That's it. There's no third path where you just follow some signals or plug in some random bot and hope it makes you rich. You know, that stuff works, well, until it doesn't. And let's be honest, it usually doesn't. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Take the forex market, for example. Okay, unlike crypto, it doesn't run 24/7. It shuts down on Friday night and opens back up on Monday morning. You know this. And what most people miss, though, is that when that Monday market opens, the price doesn't just smoothly continue where it left off. No, instead, you get a gap. The market jumps. It's like the price was just teleported while the charts were asleep. You know, that's not just a fun fact. It completely wrecks most indicators. Because most trading indicator you've ever seen, like we're talking RSI, we're talking MACD, moving averages, they're all built on candle data. Open price, highs, lows, close price. That's it. They don't actually know anything. They just do arithmetic on chart prices. So now picture this. You've got a moving average set to 240 periods, which is 4 hours. It's calculating the average of the last 240 candles. Sounds fine, right? But Monday rolls in. Half of those candles are from Friday, before the gap. The other half are from Monday, after the gap. And there is nothing in the middle. Nothing. Just empty time, because forex was closed. So that nice looking average you see on your chart is based on disconnected data. You're mixing two completely different market realities, and the indicator doesn't know that. It just draws a line and says, here's the average. Well, most bots don't know either. They just say, oh, moving average crossed? It's time to buy. But they're not asking, is this data even valid? They're not thinking, wait, was there a weekend gap? Are these candles even trustworthy right now? That's what happens when your system doesn't have an edge. It's just automation, doing exactly what you tell it, even if what you told it makes no sense in real-world conditions. This is why we built EA Automatic differently. We didn't start with indicators. We started with real trades. Actual decisions made by over 300 skilled traders. Their full logic data, when they entered, when they exited, what session they were in, and how volatile the market was, what their risk looked like. We're talking everything here. We didn't even stop there. The data gets updated constantly. You see, our AI trains on it, adjusts to it, and keeps learning as new trades come in. So instead of relying on fixed rules, it starts to understand context, the same way any good human trader would. It learns when indicators are helpful and when they're flat out wrong. It knows how to react after a weekend gap. It knows how sessions shift behavior and when not to trust the candles on your screen. If you don't need to know any of this to use it. And guess what? You don't need to know any of this to use it, because our team sets it all up for you. You even get your own asset manager who checks in with you, explains what's happening, and helps track results. It's the easiest way to trade without trading blind, because the truth is, if you don't have a deep understanding of the market yourself, then your only chance is to use something built by people who do. We've been there. We've made mistakes. I've made mistakes. We've seen what breaks most bots. We know where the data goes wrong and how to build systems that don't fall for it. That's what we've built. An edge, the real kind, a smart robot, grounded in real trader behavior and built to deal with the messiness of the real market. Try it for free without setup or headaches or even any experience needed. And finally, a bot that doesn't just trade, it gets it. The link is in the description, so click it now.